Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on quantitative aptitude. Today we are going to discuss about profit and loss problem. So generally the gain or profit is given by the formula SP minus CP, that is selling price minus cost price. And similarly the gain or profit percentage is given by selling price minus cost price divided by cost price. So generally again, why we are using the numerator as selling price minus cost price? Why? Because whenever we get profit, right, when it is possible, only if we have the selling price which is higher when compared to the cost price. So whatever we bought, right, it should be very less price when compared to the selling price, only then we will get the profit. So we are using the formula as selling price minus cost price. Similarly loss, when we get loss, if our cost price is higher when compared to the selling price. So we are using the loss formula as cost price minus selling price. Okay. And then in both the formula, we have the denominator as, right, gain percentage or loss percentage, denominator as cost price. Why? Because cost price will not vary at all, right? Only your selling price is going to be vary, right? So we are always the varying value, that is selling price, we will not use in the denominator. Why? Because the fixed price what we have bought one particular item, right, that is nothing but your cost price, which will not vary at all, which is a fixed value that we have to use in the denominator. Okay, so in that way you can remember the formula easily. Okay, so sometimes you will have confusion why whether we have to use CP or SP in the denominator. So you should have in a mind that always which is fixed, cost price is fixed. Okay, that is the item which we have bought, that is the fixed price, right, and the selling price may vary. Okay, today you may sell in one price or tomorrow you may sell in another price. It depends upon the value of the item on that particular situation, right. So denominator is always cost price, okay, in both the situation, gain or loss. Okay, so let me see the problem on that, one in the profit percentage, one in the loss percentage. Okay, so Magesh purchased a table for 2500 rupees and sold it for 3480 rupees. Okay, so he has purchased, right. So once we have purchased some item, right, that is nothing but the cost price. Okay, so this value is nothing but cost price, because this is the price which we are getting some product. Okay, and we are selling that particular product for this price. So this is nothing but your selling price. Okay, so what is the percentage profit he made on the table? Okay, so this is what we are going to find out. So generally the profit percentage is what we know. The profit percentage is so here when we see the value, right, selling price is higher, right, so selling price minus cost price, and as I said before, denominator always is cost price into 100 percentage. Okay, so what is the selling price? 3480 minus cost price is 2500 divided by cost price, okay, into 100 percentage, so that we will get the profit value. Okay, so 3480 minus 2500. Okay, so 980 is the numerator, divided by cost price is 2500. Okay, so we have 0.392 and that value into 100 percentage. Okay, so we are getting 39.2 percentage. So we have the value 980 divided by 2500 into 100 percentage, which is nothing but 39.2 percentage. Okay, so our profit percentage is 39.2 percentage. Okay, so in the next problem we have to find out the percentage loss. Madhavi purchased a car for rupees 2,51,600 and sold it for rupees 2,27,200. Okay. So when we compare these two value, right? So which is a higher value, right? So this one is a higher value, this one is lower value. So whatever we are purchasing, right? We are purchasing a car. So it is nothing but the cost price. So this value is cost price and the selling price is what? This value, right? So this is your selling price. Okay. But here what we have, the cost price is higher when compared to selling price. Okay. So we have actually loss percentage. Loss percentage is what? Cost price minus selling price by cost price into 100 percentage. So whenever cost price is higher, definitely we will get loss, right? Divided by this value 251600 into 100 percentage. Okay. So use a calculator and find out your value. So 251600 minus 227200. This is your numerator value 24400 divided by your 251600. Okay, into 100 percentage. So 9.69 percentage is the loss. Okay, so this value is nothing but 9.69 percentage. So this is the last percentage for your second problem. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.